So good morning from Plitvice, Croatia. We have arrived to one of our highlights of our trip, and we're making our way past our first waterfalls, our series of waterfalls. So Tanya, Dennis, and Tihomir are all here together today, and I'm just going to show you what we've come to see. Absolutely spectacular.
Goosebumps.
We're gonna clear these trees here in a second, and I'll give you a quick peek.
Look at that. Huh.
So, as our group heads to our next stop, Tihomir's already got our plan. I gotta watch where I'm walking, so that's why I can't look down or look at all of you. So as we're headed to our next point, we will check in later. I hope you enjoy our little tour here, and do widzenia.